If a person passes away, you're not allowed to utilize their assets up until an executor is appointed. The executor runs the full estate administration process and eventually comes to a point where the estate has been finalized and then the assets are distributed to their rightful owners. Utilizing estate assets places you at a risk. You find that a person passes on, their siblings, their family members take the assets, like in a similar scenario that I'm dealing with now, where the lady is a sister to the deceased person. He has passed on, he has no wife, and she has taken control of the motor vehicle, she's taken control of the house, she's getting rentals from the house. Now I'm having to go to court because she refuses to bring the assets back. I'm having to go to court, get a court order for her to bring the assets back. And once the assets are back with us, we are going to have to sue her. Number one, for the rentals, because the rentals were due to the estate. Number two, we're going to have to quantify a claim for the devaluation of the value of the motor vehicle, because she has utilized it and continues to utilize it, and a vehicle loses value as you utilize it. And this places the beneficiaries, which are the two minor children, in a disadvantaged position. She's not even a beneficiary of the estate. Even if she was, there is no entitlement unless arranged with the executor of the estate and the other beneficiaries consent thereto. But in this circumstance, she has no right to utilize the assets. So I just want to warn people, it happens all the time that someone passes away and family members take control of their assets, sometimes don't even report the estate for years. They utilize the estate assets. You're placing yourself at risk. If that vehicle, whatever asset it is, either devalues or gets stolen or gets damaged, maybe a vehicle through an accident, the beneficiaries through the executor can look to you for compensation or compensating the estate, because your actions have now placed them in a negative position in terms of what they're entitled to benefit. So I just want to warn people, do not utilize estate assets. Once a person passes away, in terms of the Act, the Administration of Estates Act, it is the executor who takes control. So once an executor is appointed, that person is supposed to take control of those assets so that they are safeguarded for the benefit of the beneficiaries. Park that vehicle. Don't utilize that property. Safeguard it, yes, but don't utilize it until the estate has been sorted out. And if you've incurred any costs in making sure that the assets of the estate are safeguarded, you can then put in a claim with the executor and you can be compensated for the cost that you've expended in safeguarding the estate assets.